Is it worth it? That's what we're gonna do, is check this house out. I didn't get a chance to do my intro while I was at the house. There was an open house going on and there was a bunch of people out in the street. But this property is in Newmarket. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and they are asking $540,000. Now, let's go take a look at this thing and see, is it worth it?
Main level, vaulted ceilings, tons of natural light pouring in from every angle. Dining room over here, kitchen, nice upgrades. Nice deck, fenced in yard, and a good view out back from the kitchen sink. Sorry, the screen's getting in the way there. Hey, it's really cold out here. If you don't hit that like button, I might freeze. Thanks. And we'll go down first. Wide stairwell. Large full bath. There's probably room for a dual vanity here if you really wanted. And tub shower. Got a linen closet. Pretty tile. And then we actually have laundry in the back of the bathroom here. That's pretty cool. And rec room. Good size space. Not huge, but good size windows. Walkout. And there is a bedroom here. Excuse me. This is a great size. And what do we have behind door number 1? Laundry, or excuse me, not laundry, utility. So we got a spare fridge, crazy water system, and a water heater from 23, HVAC from 06, electric heat pump and electric water heater. Good storage space. Now let's head upstairs. And we have a full bath, a dual vanity, toilet behind the door, tile walls in the shower, and it threw into bedroom over here. Is this the master? I'm not sure. They got a beautiful closet. Look how big that thing is. The thing is bigger than most bedrooms. And this would be bedroom 2. So yes, that was the master. 1 full bath up. And this is bedroom 2. Bedroom 3 is obviously downstairs. It is really cold out here. If you would hit that like button, it would sure warm me up.